a city called Lyon. It is in the central east of France, and it's a beautiful city in the sense that this city is a kind of, it's a confluence of two rivers. There are two rivers which are called Rhone and Saône, which actually, do a confluence here. It's just like we have Allahabad or Prayagraj, where two rivers meet. It's that kind of a city. This city is the birthplace of cinema. So which means that in this city there were two brothers which are called Lumiere brothers. They had a photo studio and they created the first cinema of the world. After that, all the Hollywood and Bollywood came. See Kanpur written on the top. Kanpur city. So this is a food chain. Actually, this is a food chain which is there in very famous in Europe, and it's a French brand. And this shop, I'm going to take you inside the shop to show you what it is inside. I show you this frog. This frog welcomes you. Now this frog is made of a vegetable. Can you tell me what vegetable it is made of?
Capsicum.
Capsicum.
Green peppers. Green peppers.
Yes, and this frog is telling you, vous êtes les bienvenus. That means you are welcome. Now I am going to take you. You see this machine? So in the morning, you have this machine. Actually, kind of cleaning the roads. So every morning you have this small truck and machine which is going around and cleaning the streets. You think shop, they have different sections, and these sections are called rayon. What are they called? Rayon. Repeat after me. Rayon. Now this is the first rayon that I'm taking you through, and this is called c'est prêt à emporter. That means it is a section where you can pick up things and you can take with you. So what are those things here? You see all these tambour and legumes, and you see salad, and you see sandwiches, you have pasta, you have burgers. So, and you have a lot of salad. The French people love their salad. Now I'm going to take you to the section which is called the fruits et légumes. Now fruits et légumes, as you can see, you have this whole section of fruits and vegetables. And where does these fruits and vegetables come from? It is interesting. They come from all over the world. For example, you have this special fruit called pamelo. Can you see the fruit? This fruit, can you see? This fruit is called pamelo, and that pamelo, it comes from, which is the country?
China.
China. So China is called Sheen in French. You have a passion fruit, A passion fruit is this kind of a fruit. It's very popular here, and it's like it comes from which country?
Vietnam.
And you have some potatoes which are like this, and they come from which is this country?
Spain.
Yes, Spain. And you have this is not the season of mangoes here, but the mango season is in Brazil, and because it's more hotter there. These mangoes, they come from Brazil. Similarly, France does not produce ginger, and the ginger comes from
China.
Like that, you much in India, but you find it here. Can you tell me what is this?
Zucchini.
Zucchini, very good. It's courgette. Zucchini is called courgette. So this is one of the vegetables which is very famous here. There's a section of cheese. So if I show you, you must have read, that France is known for different kind of cheese, and one of the cheese which is very famous here is this cheese, which is called Comté. You see Comté written here. So this cheese, actually, the French love their cheese. Still have these
Noël
on the shops. So on the, be it wine shop or be it any shop, I will take you to another shop. Bonjour to you. And
Bonjour,
so can you tell me what is this shop?
Meat shop. Some meat shop.
Yeah, this shop.
Meat shop.
And what do you call a meat shop in French?
Boucherie.
Yeah. You see all those jumbled up words there? It's called boucherie. Yes, you are right. It's called boucherie. So, now I'm out, guys, and I'm going to take you towards the mayor's office. And this is a big building you see. It's the office of the mayor, and a mayor office is very important in the French life. Like this, Lyon has about 8 mayors, and each district will have a building like this. And there's a swimming pool, there's a theater here, and around the.
Can you please show us the swimming pool of France?
There'll be a lot of things which are cultural, which are to help the people. Okay, and it's the rain has slightly stopped, but it's drizzling. So probably I will open my parapluie, but then I can take questions. So guys, it's the question answers round. You can ask questions, whatever you want to ask.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you show the currency?
The currency normally here the currency is euro. I will just check if I have some, okay. I am able to find a currency which is this. You see this thing, okay.
20 cents.
20 cents.
There is a card which is given to all the people, which is called carte bleue. So carte bleue is what we use for every shop. Here it's a cashless economy.
In front of you, there's an ice pool.
Okay. This is a fountain actually. The fountain will run after it's early morning here. So maybe after 10 or 11.
Early morning.
Goes up and down, and it's beautiful here. This is a fountain actually. So there's a fountain there, and there is a fountain here. So this is, and also this is winter time. Sometime when it rains and when it is very cold, they don't open it because it gels. It becomes snow. It freezes.
So what is the current temperature where you are standing?
The current temperature here is 1 degree Celsius. About 1 degree Celsius. It was -2 just 1 hour back, but now because the day has started, you can see the sky and all those things. So it has gone to 1 degree Celsius right now.
As you earlier said that the French do not have any AM or PM system. So how do their dial clocks look like?
How does their
dial clocks look like? As you earlier said that it's not an AM or PM system there.
Okay. No. It's like it is like it is just when you say, you don't say it in AM PM. You say it is in hours, just like a pilot does. Suppose you speak to a pilot, you ask him what is the time. He will say say 24 hours, or he will say 12 hours. So here they actually
24-hour system.
Au revoir, ciao.